In this video, I'm going to show you a few methods how you can free up plenty of disk space on your Windows computer. We will go through clearing out temporary files and cache data, and just getting rid of any unnecessary rubbish that could be slowing down your computer and taking up a lot of unnecessary space. So let's jump straight into it, and we want to start by utilizing Windows' built-in storage sense feature, which will allow you to delete any unnecessary files automatically. So you need to head to your start menu by pressing the Windows key and search for settings. Tap on the settings icon. From the left here, we want to come into System and then scroll down and select Storage. And if you come down, you should see a feature called Storage Sense. The first thing we want to do is enable this. And by enabling this, it's going to allow Windows to automatically delete any temporary files. We can then come inside of the cleanup recommendations, and you want to select these two boxes here, Downloads and Recycle Bin. Just bear in mind that this is going to clear your personal download folder. So if there is anything in Downloads that you'd like to keep, then simply come over to File Explorer, come inside of the Download section, and then you can move the file that you want to keep out of this downloads folder. But for me, there's nothing I want to keep, so I'm just going to go ahead and press this clean up button, and as you can see, this alone is going to clear nearly 4 gigabytes of data. Then just select continue, and then allow Windows a couple of minutes to delete these files. Next thing we can do is close out of here, and we're going to come back to the start menu, and we're going to search for run. Click on the run icon, and inside of this search box you want to type in temp and then hit enter. And we want to delete all of the files inside of this folder. By selecting all on your keyboard, you can press Ctrl A, and then we want to right click and then press the trash icon. Every time this security message comes up, we're just going to select do this for all current items, and then we can press continue. There may be some items inside of here that can't be deleted, which is absolutely fine. As long as we can delete the majority of them, that's going to free up tons of space. Once we finish inside of the temp folder, we're going to come back to the start menu, search for run, and tap on the run icon, and this time we're going to type in %temp, %, and hit enter. And once again, we're going to do the same thing by pressing Ctrl A on the keyboard to select all, and then right click in and come into the trash icon. Make sure this box is checked and press continue, and then as you can see, the majority of files are deleted. There's a few that won't let me delete, which is fine. Then we can come out of this, and the next thing you're going to do is come back to the start menu and search for programs. Click on add or remove programs, and this is going to list all of the applications that are currently installed on your computer, and you just want to go through this list and uninstall anything that you currently don't need. You can also sort this at the top here by which applications are using the most amount of storage. As you can see, my top one here is the Riot client, which is taking up 12 gigabytes of storage. So I'm just going to go ahead and uninstall that, as I don't really play the game. Next thing we want to do is come back to the start menu again, but this time we're going to search for disk cleanup. Hit the disk cleanup icon, and inside of here you want to select all of these check boxes. The temporary files are already empty because we've just emptied these, and you can go ahead and press clean up system files. Give it a few minutes and this is going to calculate how much space you'll be able to free. Let me just make sure all these boxes are selected again, and then we can press OK. It's going to ask you if you're sure you want to delete these, and then just press delete files. Once we've finished inside of the disk cleanup, we're going to come back to the start menu and search for run. Tap on the run icon, and this time we're going to type in WS reset and hit enter. And this will remove any cache from the Windows Store, and once again this can take a couple of minutes to complete. Then the last and final thing we can do is come back to the start menu and search for run. Tap on the run icon, and we're going to type in prefetch. Hit enter on your keyboard. You may get a warning message saying you don't currently have permission to access this folder. Just press on continue, and then once again we're going to select all by pressing Ctrl A, and then we're going to right click and select the trash icon to delete all of these files. And that's it guys. By following all of these steps, that should have cleared out some disk space on your computer. If this video did help you, please drop a like and subscribe, and let me know in the comments how much disk space this video helped you save.